So that does take care of that. So now the next thing is to address this situation right here. Pretty much going forward is add more if needed, because now it's just adding how many that you want. I mean, like I mentioned, like this is the introduction chapter, this is the sub chapter, because on here I'm just going to add these, and how that looks is like this. So for example, the conflict would be, let's just say it's going to be in the hallway. So let's do that. And TOD is equal to, I don't know, let's say, what did I say it was? Afternoon. Let's do afternoon. And game day is equal to 2, let's just say. Then chapter dot call underscore subchapter conflict. And then of course return it. And then now the next thing is to put this into effect. So let's go into the location sets, and like we did here, make sure it's above the game menu. And then we're going to go ahead and just call it out. So it's going to be call check and call that. Whoops. Forgot that. Check and call that. And then it'll be chapter 1, because we did create a chapter 1 already. So it's going to take that argument. Let's see, what else does it take? Location. So it's going to do player.location. Next one's going to be time of day. So it's going to be the persistent.time of day. Game day. So we need to create a default or a persistent value. So it's going to be default game day is equal to 0. And then we're just going to just plug that in. Game day. Completed chapters. We need to create that. So we're going to add that in a minute. Player.completed subchapters. And it should look like this. So there isn't any errors with this. Let me go ahead and go into player and add that in. I'm also going to do a location is equal to none. And completed chapters is equal to this. And completed subchapters is equal to that. That way that there's no errors hitting this. But with that being said, let's go ahead and add that. So this should run now. Let's go ahead and check. Yep. And we also need to, let me go ahead and do a reload on this, because I do want to add in the conflict as well so I can show you. Conflict. I'm going to copy this. This is for every thing that you have to do now, because this is what takes it in. So this is going to be, this is the conflict sub chapter. So since that is a part of the hallway now, let me go ahead and show you what will happen if we don't add this line of code in the hallway. Because as of right now, it was supposed to happen in the hallway. Afternoon, game day 2. And also, that way we know what kind of game day that we're on. Go into game, VBox, screen game, screen GUI. Let's do game day is game day. That way we know what game day we're on. See? So let's go ahead and run this. Let's get to game day 2. Let's do this. Whoa, okay. Issues have occurred because it's not advancing it, and that's an easy fix. So let me go over here, and when you do tick timer and reset TOD, let's go to actions. And this is where we're going to fix, instead of having it jump to the game menu, let's have it jump to next day. I'm going to copy that, go into script, go into label, next day, and here I'm going to say game day plus equals 1, and then I'm going to go ahead and jump to game main. Easy as that, guys. Let's go ahead and rerun that. Okay, it does that. Let's do this, and boom. That takes care of having the game main taken care of because it's being called on the next day, and it adds the game and it increments the game day. So that's exactly what we need. So let's go back here and go into game 2. That way this can get called. But remember that we haven't added this function in the hallway. So let's go ahead and see what happens if we didn't add that. Okay, so game 2. If we go in the hallway, obviously nothing happens because in the afternoon we have it set to afternoon. But let's go ahead and do that. So, okay, it's in the afternoon. It's on game 2. The conflict should be called when we when we go into the hallway, and it does not. Why is that? Because we need to add this because the hallway doesn't know where to call it and what to call it. So we need to add this. So the hallway location knows, oh hey, I have a subchapter in this hallway as well. I have chapters that need to be called. So let me go ahead and just get it to day 2, afternoon. Bam, look at that. And then as you can see, it doesn't get called again because it is completed. But with that being said, guys, then that's what we have so far. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe, and also follow my Patreon for early video access, unblurred video content, and follow my Discord if you the community that we're building if you do have any questions. With that being said, I hope you guys enjoy y'all's day, and I'll see you next one. Bye.